All right, guys, welcome to today's awesome and wonderful class, right? So today we're talking about something very, very important and key in the forex market, right? So just as like every other candlestick patterns and formation and every other thing, one of my secrets today too, I'm going to be sharing it. I said I'm going to be unleashing everything. I don't care whatever strategy, whatever trading you've been going through, all this while. But what I'm giving to you today is a killer strategy. So until full when you work with these strategies, you see yourself making a whole lot of money from the forex market, right? So that's notwithstanding. If this is your first time joining this channel, do well to subscribe, share to your friends, share to everybody around you for them to join our daily analysis and capitalize on these wonderful opportunities you have right here. So what are we gonna be talking about today? Right, so let's go ahead. So we're talking about the morning star pattern. Morning star pattern. What I'm giving to you is a killer pattern, one of my best patterns that whenever I use them, I see them working for me, like working very well for me. One of my killer patterns. Now the morning star patterns. So this is a powerful candlestick pattern found at the support zone, which indicates a reversal in the market. This is a powerful candlestick pattern found at the support zone, which indicates a reversal in the market. Now, whenever this morning star is spotted, it shows a reversal. It doesn't show continuation in the market. Whenever they are spotted, it shows a reversal in the market, not continuation. But how is this pattern? How is this pattern? How does it work? So now look at the pattern. It's made up of three candlesticks. Morning star is found at the support zone, but this is how it is before I go sharing the characteristics for us and spotting it on the chart. This is how it is. It's made up of three candlesticks found at the support zone. So the market must be selling, 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 or it must be in an uptrend, then making a very deep retracement, giving you these three candlesticks confirming for a buy continuation. So what do I mean? Looking at this, you can see the characteristics. They are made up of three candlesticks. The bearish candlestick, the first, the middle short candlestick, and the bullish engulfing candlesticks. Just the way you see it here. The bearish candlestick, the first, the middle candlestick could be a smaller, a doji, or any pattern. Then the bullish engulfing the middle candlestick. These are the this is what we call the morning star pattern. Like I said before, they can be found at the end of a downtrend at the support zone, especially at a sensitive support zone, then going for a buy. Another way you can find it is when the market is buying, 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 making a very deep retracement, giving you this three candlestick confirmation, then continuing for a buy. This is the known as morning star candlestick pattern. Remember the characteristics, they are three candlesticks, effective and better traded when spotted at a support zone. So either you wait for the downtrend to be exhausted, giving you this three candlestick confirmation. Another way is allow that uptrending market that has been trending up to make a deep retracement to the downside, then giving you this three candlestick confirmation for your buy. And you see the market working for you. That's what we are checking out today. The higher the time frame, the more reliable it is. If you're a day trader, spotting it in your D1 is much more effective than spotting it in your 1 hour and spotting it in your 15 minutes and spotting it in your 1 minute time frame, right? Spotting it in 1 hour is still okay, but dependent on the zone you spotted it. But the higher the time frame is more effective than the lower time frame. I will still show us what this means. Then must be in favor of the trend after a deep retracement. They must all be in favor of the trend after a deep retracement. Must be in favor of the trend. That is, if the trend is up, allow the market to make a deep retracement, then you can now go in for your wait for the morning star. If it happens, then you can now go in for your buy. Before showing you how it looks like on the chart, now this another morning star pattern too. And see, this is the first bearish one. The middle one has to be short, shorter. This is what works I don't care whatsoever. This is what works. The bearish candlestick, the middle candlestick has to be shorter. Then you have a bullish engulfing candlestick here. Follow this and you see whenever you spot this, then wait for a confirmation, a bullish candlestick confirmation. You see the market moving continuously to the upside. You see the market moving continuously to the upside. You see it buying and buying and buying. Oh my goodness, especially when you spot it in the higher time frame. After a three candlestick confirmation, enter the market. Do not wait for another confirmation. Do not wait for any other confirmation. After the three candlesticks for the morning star at the support zone, the first bearish candlestick, the middle candlestick, and the engulfing candlestick. The third candlestick, take your entry. Set your stop loss below the nearest support zone. That is your entry. Then your take profit, your target before the nearest and obvious zone. Done. This is a very wonderful strategy. Don't tell anybody, but remember to share. Right. So this is it. So this is it for the morning star. Before I show you on the chart, let's take the direct opposite of the morning star, which is known as the evening star pattern. They are made up of three candlesticks too. Now, the bullish candlestick first, the middle short candlestick. Now, this middle short candlestick could be a doji, could be any pattern, any strategic pattern, but smaller in size. And the bearish engulfing candlestick. The bearish engulfing candlestick, whenever it's spotted, it's a killer strategy. It's a killer strategy. This works. So they are better traded when spotted at the resistance zone. So you either allow that market that has been buying, 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 buying. When it's about to reverse, it gives you an evening star pattern. Or that market that has been trending downward in a downtrending market, allow the retracement to make allow the market to make a very deep retracement, then giving you three candlestick of evening star. That is the first bullish, the middle, and an engulfing, a bearish engulfing. The opening of the next one, you enter for a sell. This works. You don't only use it as an exhaustion, but you use it to confirm your retracement level, whether it's time for you to make an impulsive move to any direction, to the upside or to the bearish side. This is a killer strategy. I'm telling you the truth. The higher the time frame, the better and stronger it is. The higher the time frame, the better and stronger it is for the evening star pattern. An evening star pattern spotted in D1 is stronger than the one spotted in M15. And an evening star pattern spotted in D1 is better than the one spotted in M30. This is a killer strategy. This is a killer strategy. This is a killer strategy. Not only that, must be in favor of the trend. It must be in favor of the trend for you to judiciously use it. It must be in favor of the trend. That is spotting it at the retracement level for the confirmation. But that being in favor of the trend is not a must. You can also use it as an exhaustion for an uptrending market, depending on your analysis and the rest. So this must, you don't put is a must. It's not a must, but favorably has to be, let's use has to be in favor of the trend. It has to be in favor of the trend. But if it's not in the favor of the trend, you can wait for it to make a retracement to confirm your sell in the market. It is the direct opposite of the morning star. We said it before, it's the direct opposite of the morning star. So before you go to the chart, look at them here. This is the morning star, then this is the evening star. You can see the difference. The middle candlesticks, they are always short and shorter in size, in everything. The middle candlestick, they always short. Look at this here. Look at this here. Always short. For morning star, the market must be going down, then giving this for a buy. Then for an evening star, the market must be going up, giving this for a sell. Just the way you find it here. Now, it could be a gravestone doji evening star, regardless of the middle candlestick, but smaller in size, showing either struggle in the market, equality in the market, or rejection in the market. Then at the end of the day, look at this. You can see a good sell in the market. You can see a very good sell in the market. Let's quickly go to the chart, spotting what is in the chart. Let's quickly go to the chart, spotting it. Now take a good look at this. The market buying, 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 buying. Then getting to this place, he gave this. This is a bullish candlestick. This is a dragonfly, a gravestone doji. Then you can see a confirmation, three candlestick, made up of three candlestick, pattern, three candlestick, and you can see at the end of the day what happened. The market went to the lows. The market started selling. This is a killer and a very strategic candlestick pattern, a very strategic candlestick pattern and formation. Whenever you see it, it has to play out. It plays out a lot. It plays out a lot. I think there is this one that formed in GBP USD, right? So GBP USD. Let's get to the GBP USD. GBP USD, right? Oh yes, 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 yes. I think we've seen one. You can see after the market gave a double bottom pattern here, that is M pattern, W pattern rather, he broke the neckline, trying to do a retracement. When he got to this part, what did he give? Let me zoom this in. This is a morning star pattern, a very good morning star pattern. You can see after giving a W pattern here, a W pattern here to the upside, then try making a retracement, he gave this. This happened recently. And at the end of the day, after giving this, what happened? There was a huge buy. A buy, 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 buy. This is a killer strategy. This is what works. This is what works. This is what works. If you use it, you see yourself making a whole lot of bucks in the market. You see yourself making a whole lot of bucks in the market. Now, take a good look at these two. Take a good look at these two. The first bearish, the middle candlestick shorter, then an engulfing candlestick, straight candlestick, engulfing the middle candlestick, not the bearish candlestick towards the trend, but the middle candlestick. You can see the buy. This is a very bad, a killer strategy. Go use it and make some money. Go use it and make some money. This works. It works if only you go through and follow the trend. If only you follow the trend, doing the right thing, and also making analysis right. Just follow everything we tell you. You see it working for you. You see it working for you. It's a very bad strategy. This is a very bad strategy. The candlestick, the morning star pattern, is a very bad strategy. Now remember, if you enjoyed the video, remember to share to your friends and the rest. So as a way of recap, in this particular video, we started by sharing with us what the morning star looks like. We said the morning star, this is a powerful candlestick pattern found at the support zone, which indicates a reversal in the market. It could indicate a reversal when you spot it in a downtrending market, or a when you spot it in an uptrending market, it shows a reversal. And it can also show a continuation when you spot it in a downtrending market. That is, you wait for the market to make a retracement, giving you the three candlestick confirmation that you can go for a buy in the market, for a buy. Don't mistake it. This is a powerful candlestick pattern found at the support zone, which indicates a reversal in the market. So that market must be selling, giving you three candlesticks at your support zone, then showing a continuation in the market. Another way is this: the market has to be in an uptrend, then making a deep retracement, then giving you three candlestick confirmation, then you can go for your buy in the market. Let's not make mistake before I also make my own mistake. No. So this is it. This is a pattern, three candlestick here. So they are made up of three candlestick, the bearish candlestick first, the middle short candlestick, and the bullish engulfing candlestick. Effective and better traded when spotted at the support zone. Remember, when spotted at the support zone, this is the best time. Shows reversal. That market has been selling, giving you this three candlestick. It shows reversal, a total reversal, a total turn in the market. Or that market that has been buying, then doing a deep retracement, then giving you three candlestick confirmation, then showing for a buy. Now, the higher the time frame, the more reliable it is. The higher the time frame, the more reliable it is. Must be in favor of the trend after a deep retracement. right? So you can see this to entry, our stop loss, 3 candlesticks. This is a killer strategies. I went ahead to show us the different pattern, this evening star pattern too, more at the resistance zone. It's traded at the resistance. The higher the time frame, the more reliable. Go practice this. Go practice this. Evening star at the resistance, morning star at the support zone. Evening star at the resistance, morning star at the support zone. Evening star at the resistance, morning star at the support zone. You trade morning star when in an exhaustion of a downtrend, or when the market is buying and makes a deep retracement, two ways: at the support zone, or when the market is buying making a deep retracement, giving you these three patterns. Then you buy for a support, for a morning star. Then evening star, when the market at the exhaustion of an uptrending market giving you these three patterns, then you sell. Other market that is in a downtrend making a deep retracement to the upside, giving you these three patterns, then you sell. So that is it for today's awesome class. Do well to let your friends know. All right, don't play. Remember, don't tell anybody, but remember to share. Thank you so much for joining this awesome meeting, awesome class. All right, thank you.